Alright, we got some clearance, and some new lower prices at the Home Depot. Excuse my voice, I'm trying to get over a cold here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, so we can make more tour review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, enough of that. We got the mowing down pollution. Yes, the California, it's already making it. It's across the country. So they are eliminating the gas engines, including the cars and the lawnmowers and all that stuff, smaller engines. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. I don't know if they're gonna be forcing that in a few years, but it sure is coming this way. So pretty soon everybody's gonna go into that. You guys can thank California for that. All right, so another deal here. We got the expanded brush cutter, $49. These are all clearance. Expanded trimmer, $49, 18-inch. Then we got this hose, light duty, half an inch by 50. It is $8.40. Not too bad. Here's a edge trimmer, $95, down from $189. And then we got this Champion Global. This generator, something we don't see. It's a dual fuel generator for something for this size, $6.99. So not too bad. It is dual fuel, as it says right there. It's 2,500 watts. And I don't know if it does include that Paralink or not adapter. Alright, they still got these hacks, guys. Run and get them before they sell out or before they go away, because they will go away soon. So basically, you buy any of the tools on the top, you get a free battery. Definitely recommend you guys get those impact wrenches, the angle grinder. There's just a whole bunch of tools you guys could get. $2.99, 16-gauge angle finish nailer. Another killer clearance item, $322 for this rear handle. It's a worn drive circular saw, 60 volts, 459 down to 3. And you got this tool bag, $42 down from $49, 22-inch, and then that's what it looks like. Then you got some blades there. These are Diablo 7.25 and 6.5. But check this out, guys. We still got that miter saw. Yes. Be on the lookout for this miter saw. $4.90 down from $6.99. Killer deal. 60 volt, 12-inch slider. We got a worn drive circular saw again, $322. So we have two of them. Then we got the nailers. They're still running these deals on the nailers. I mean, not the killer deals, but they're pretty nice if you guys need the tools for work, actually. So 81 down from 179 for that. And then you got the impact driver, drill driver, brushless, $219. That's not bad deal. You used to do get a hammer drill with that one. Then you got the impact driver, 3-speed for $119, and 3-pack of batteries, $129. So not too bad for the impact driver and hammer drill. You got some pruning blades, a nail embedded wood carbide reciprocating saw, and general purpose. So it just depends on what you're cutting. If you don't know what you're cutting, then just go general purpose or demolition. Yeah, the carbide general purpose will get you done, get you serviced. All right, so you got 1097 framing saw blades. 1497. You got the, what is that? The 6 bimetal saw blades with the case. Save your knees, guys. Buy yourself one of these. $14.88. I do have one of these from like 5 years ago, and that thing saved my knees so much. So $34.97 for the bimetal, for nails and wood, whatever you got in there. And of course you got wood, right? All right. So next one down, we got some blades. $54.97, 82. These are fine finished for your miter saws. These are excellent blades. Even if you run into a nail or two, they're still cut like brand new. All right, you got the new charger, $229, and that new battery, the lithium stack battery for $179. You got aviation snips, right, left, and straight cutting, right, $14.97. You got a 2-pack of 6 amp hour and 3 amp hour for 179. You got the fuel blower for 129. I still need to find mine. $99 for this charger. Is a dual bay charger. It is a rapid charger as well. So $99 for the vacuum. You got the wet and dry filter, $19.97. And then some accessories there for $14.97. Not too bad. $19.97 for the Shockwave 45-piece bit set. Not bad. I really like that extension on the left. That thing's massive. Looks like a 10-inch or 8-inch extension. Definitely check that one out. That's a good one. It's rare to find that. You got still got the buy one get one free. Any of them 12s on the left, you get a free battery. These are hackable deals as well, guys. $39.97 for those impact rated sockets, and then you got the oscillating blades. Pretty good deals on those. All right, you got the dual coated lens there to the left, performance safety glasses, and then some level 1 dip gloves. So those are the lenses. All right, you got buy more, save more still active January 29 to April the 28th while supplies last. So you save 50, spend 300, save 100, spend 400, save 150, spend 500. So mix and match, obviously, and that battery is a pretty good deal. If you guys do a couple of those and throw in some, that get it closer to that $500 and hack them, of course, if you can. So $249 for that 12 amp hour battery. That's a really good one. $19.97 your choice here. You got the wire wheel assortment set. That's a nice thing if you want to clean up some parts or whatever, surface rust. With your impact driver, your drill, whatever you have. 18 gauge finish brad nailer, not finish nailer. I do recommend that one. I do have the older one. It works great, guys. Works really good. So $119 down from $149 for the 4 amp hour high performance battery. The 3-pack. Not too bad. And then they got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the right, get a free battery. A fairly new platform to get into, but this is actually worth it, guys, because there's a tool in here that makes this a golden. This little battery here powers just about anything that's smaller, and including that fan. Not really a fan of that fan, but because I own the bigger one. That's the battery right there. It is chargeable with the USB Type-C. Then you got all sorts of lights and little gadgets, the screwdrivers, brushes, and all that stuff. But check this out, guys. The ratchet. Yes, this is going to be the most compact ratchet you could ever buy with this really small battery. And yeah, very compact, mostly more compact than the 12 volts. Yeah, this is really good, especially for a tool like that. They should make more tools like that, right? Anyways, we got the cutter right there. You got the 4-mode impact wrench for $159. If you see about that ratchet, how big the battery platform is, that is just way too big for that ratchet. $119 your choice circular saw battery. And then you got this wet and dry vacuum, great for the car, for the truck, whatever you have to clean up. Got 256 down from 319. This is a base cabinet, Husky, solid wood top, really nice drawers, and some cabinets, doors on the bottom. Mid-size, low profile truck box. So this is gonna be for the compact. This is 351 down from 389. Not too bad. Then you got some ladder racks, or weather guard ladder rack, whatever they call it here, 800 pound, 359. Pretty nice. Personally not a fan of those, but if you gotta do, you gotta have it. $70, 91 down from 129. Multi-tool. Those are all Joby. 4 amp hour battery 2-pack, $62. Not too bad. It's actually pretty good. $229 for the string trimmer with quick lock. This is tool only. I believe these prices are coming down. Maybe because they're trying to put new things in here. Maybe that's why. $139 down from $169. $89 down from $129 for this pruner. Not too bad. Pick it up. Same thing with that little chainsaw. That seems to be a pretty powerful little tool. And then be careful with that one. You can cut a finger off with that one or something else. 129 from 169 electric power cleaner. So not the most powerful thing out there. I probably wouldn't buy this. To tell the truth, I would just stick with the regular pressure washer. The new Eagle pressure washer sounds really good. It's battery powered. 159. This is a battery powered string trimmer. I believe this one's tool only as well. You got 159 from 169 for the edge trimmer. Tool only. Not too bad. So if you're on this line, pick them up. Alright, so same thing with this blower. Not too bad. 450 CFM, 159. Tool only. This is actually better than the Milwaukee one. This is 2488 for the tumbler. Steel. Now that everybody's trending with these tumblers, then pretty nice actually. Not too bad. If you could keep it cold or hot for the workday. 2488 for the Fat Max, one of my personal favorite here, or the industry standard, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, pretty nice. These are really nice. Really thick. The only thing bad about those is it's just pretty heavy and thick. Alright, so $9.97 for these. Well, these are from the Black Friday deals or the holiday deals. $2.19 down from $2.49 for this wet and dry vacuum. 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Not too bad. It's actually pretty good, pretty decent. I'm planning. I might get one of these. Got the card. You got the filter. Pretty much accessories. $19.98 for the open tote tool bag, and then tool bag 16-inch. I like the tote better. Just, to look at your tools and all that. The bag's not bad, but I think I like the tote better. $22 off from $24.98 for the two tool bags. You got a smaller one and a bigger one. Alright, that's it, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagrams. We'll see you guys in the next one.